Well, we're at the cabin here, and basically about to leave. We're slack packing today, so oh, slack packing 10 miles today. We're gonna come back here later. And yeah, I don't know. Try to record. Slack packing is very tough for me to record because I don't have it accessible on me, but I'm gonna try to get as much footage today as I can, especially the viewpoints if there are any. It's supposed to rain later, so anyway, we're gonna get on the road, so well, Frost and I just got some water, the only water source for the last few miles. So we're kind of rationing a bit. Yeah, I'm going to tell him. Frosty thought he left a liter of water back at the hostel. And so we were kind of sharing mine. And oh, this campsite, nice. And look at that picnic bench over there. That's where we should have sat. But so we were just rationing it all the way down here. And then he goes to get his water bottle out to fill it up. And there's a water bottle in the very bottom of his pack that's full.
With electrolytes.
With electrolytes, yeah. Oh, man. Can't make this up. So we're headed back up another 1.4 miles back up. Just got back down. Now we're going back up. So it's 1.4 miles to the lean-to at the very top. And well, it should be a little flat on top for a little while, and then another up. Should get maybe some views up there if the rain can hold out. And then it's down for, I guess, like probably what, 5 miles you think down? Something like that, maybe? 5 miles down to the road where we're going to get picked up to be brought back to the hostel because we're slack packing, so we got little packs on. So hopefully on the way back we'll go to the store again, pick up a couple goodies, another slice of pizza. We had ribs last night. That's what the hostel makes. Beef ribs, yeah, ice cream and brownies a la mode. Oh man, you didn't get any. You could have, but it was all you can eat too. So we'll see what they have today, what they cook us for dinner tonight. Breakfast we had sausage, eggs. What was that? It's not potatoes at brine. It's just like fried potatoes. And there's always blueberry pancakes at almost every hostel you ever go to. But let me turn this around here. I like to see the trail. It's easy right now. I'm probably gonna have to put this away in a second because I'll be keeled over. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Day 34, since I forgot to mention it earlier today. But we just came 250 miles. It's pretty rare to get a 50-mile marker, so I was pretty surprised to see this. 250 miles, so we're heading up Hall Mountain to the Hall Mountain lean-to. Hopefully there's a view up there. Hopefully we get up there before it rains, and hopefully we get down before it rains. But still a lot of work to do. We're actually almost to the top. We're not too far from the top at this point. And then we get a little bit of flat, a little bit more up, and then it should be down the rest of the day. So, all right, we'll check in later. I don't know what.
Those windmills we saw.
Yeah. How do you know those are the same ones?
Because we saw them from a different angle yesterday. And they were in front of that lake.
Windmills.
Steam turbine vents.
Still another 5 miles to go to the parking lot.